Another episode of Far Cry 3. This is your boy, Lopez4311.
Now it looks blurry.
Don't worry about the blurriness.
Oh, there we go.
And now I'm just taking out these suckers. I'm just sitting this alone. Right now what we got here is our main target. Thing is, I don't want to go too loud. So I should take out the other guys first. Fuck. Oh, so the launch disabled. And now we go loud. Oh, hello, chicken. This is what we need. Right. Alright, let's go find it. Oh no, it's over here. You got this?
Yeah.
Alright, here they are.
Oh wait, is this the part of the you saved the girl again?
Shut up, please. Heal. Ah, fuck. Really? Alright, push pause. Yeah. Yeah, I don't care.
Lisa, I'm coming!
Gonna save the day.
Drive him out of the cave! Don't let me die! Lisa. Oh, shit. Get him! I'm coming, Lisa!
Ugh. Fuck you. Hold up. There's one guy left. Yeah, you think I would forget about you? Alright, let's go. Hold up. You know, I really want that artifact. No, I can't get it. Fuck. Oh well, we'll just take the money. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun.
It's a video. She's not here.
Please. I want you to say Mom, Dad. Mom, Dad.
I'm gonna kill him.
I want to go home. It's very nice. I want you to do it again. No. With more emotion. You can do it, honey. Come on. No. Yo, boss. The pretty boy just freaked the car room. Everything's filming, okay? Get out of here, man.
Hey!
Stop swearing. Okay, we are in the presence of a lady actress. Fuck you. Fuck me. Did you see what you just did? You just turned my actress against me. Get the fuck out of here.
Boss, where are you?
And I get fucked up. Shit! Is it still recording? Alright, good. Don't push anything. I got fucked up, Anthony. Right in the face. What the hell? Oh no! You gonna use fire against me, you son of a bitch?
Who gave you that, eh? Huh? Ask you a question. Who gave you that, eh? Huh?
It was you.
My sister gave you that, eh? Huh? You think that makes you one of us? You think that makes you like me?
Maybe.
California boys got a hard on. Jungle fever. I'm gonna drive like a bullet through my sister's skull.
Oh shit. Sorry?
Fuck you, angry Jason. You are angry.
I am very angry.
I get that.
Gah!
I get it. And without family, we fuck her. Every time when I do anything for my sister, the first time I ever killed was for my sister. Not enough for her. No. You should think about our loved ones, right? Our fucking loved ones. They come and they die inside you every fucking time. So they say to me, boss, who the fuck is it going to be? Them or me? Me or them? like you know, like they fucking think that I need to make a fucking
Keep
choice.
the camera up, Anthony.
Yeah, pero
By the way, this lighter really sucks.
Yeah, it's a sucky lighter.
So much for poetics. It's really too bad that C-Trap don't you up. It's not the only way to kill you is to erase you completely. It's okay. Alright. It's okay. Jason. I swear to God, man. It's true. That you're willing to die for the one you love.
You no. Oh, fuck. No, Fire, why must you betray me? Think. Oh crap. Right shit. Alright.
Lisa, I'm coming!
I'm going to cheat. Make me fireproof. I'm fireproof, don't worry about it. Ah, fuck, not for long. No! And I ran out of fire.
Lisa, I can see the door, I'm coming!
Let it keep moving. Let it keep moving. Move.
Definitely not that one.
I shouldn't have got more fireproof. But no, I'm an idiot. Get up!
Help! Jason! Stay calm, Lisa, I'm coming!
Yeah, it made me glad too.
Don't worry, I'm here. Oh my gosh, they took Oliver! They took Oliver! Can't do anything about him now.
Fuck Oliver!
Okay, go. I have an idea.
See if my plans are smart.
Oh no, I can't do this. It's the only way down. Come on. Oh my God.
Yeah, the same thing like Call of Duty all over again. Except for no one dies. There I go. Ow.
Over there, that truck.
Go. Go. Ah, fuck. Are you kidding me?
Lisa, you drive. What? Drive. It will start.
We're done.
Let's go, Jason.
So long, suckers. Oh, shit.
Did you see that explosion? What? Something exploded.
Aha!
What's going on back there? Traffic control.
Woohoo!
I can't hear this. How am I supposed to handle this? We're doing fine. They're shooting at us.
Burn on, bitches!
God, you're shooting at the Jason.
Shut the fuck up and let me just shoot them.
The wheel. You're not helping.
Woo! Ah,
Garage Ray, you're making me miss.
How can I stop them? They're shooting at me!
oh, sick! Multi-kill.
Hands at 10 and 2, 10 and 2.
Oh my God!
Come on, one more.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Faster, faster.
You're off-road! I can't!
Woo! This is fun. I'm having the fun of my life, but
Why did you turn off the truck?
No! It's died!
Tickle the key. Depress the pedal.
I don't... What does that even mean?
Lisa!
They're in front of us! Jason, in
are you
front!
kidding me? Ah! Why can't you just give me a better gun, game? Oh well, I liked the other part where I just started.
They're in front of us! Jason, in front!
Alright, got this.
Go! Serpentine! Serpentine! We're losing them!
I'm gonna throw up!
Faster, faster! Hell yeah.
We lost him! Victory shots! What happened?
We did it!
You think almost being killed or sold into slavery is fun?
Hey, Lisa.
Yeah, I kind of.
It's a nightmare.
Okay,
Stop moving.
listen, I'm fixing this. Do you know where the pirates took the
They
others?
took Oliver to some place called the Bunker. I'm not sure about Keith or Daisy.
What about Riley?
I don't know anything about Riley or Grant.
Grant's dead.
Yeah, Sentai's dead.
I'm so sorry.
But I found Daisy. I'll find the others.
Where is she?
A safe place. I'll take you there.
Let's go back to the safe place. Alright, let's see how far. Death blow. Woo, that was fun. I shot everybody and exploded.
Daisy told me she's in a cave under the house.
She's under the cave under the house, so that means she's right over here. I remember it. First, I need this. New skills. Alright. New skills.
Lisa? Daisy! You made it! Oh,
Yay!
Daisy, I'm so sorry. Look, I'm done crying. But I found this boat. If we can repair it, we have our ticket off the island.
Yeah, and straight to the bottom of the ocean.
Says the boat expert. But I do need some help. There's a power head for the outboard motor. It's missing.
Of course, I
I'll take
gotta
a look
do it.
around.
Alright.
Nice find.
Lucky for me, I played this game before, so I don't need to do shit. Alright. There it is. I shouldn't got a better, faster swim. But no, I became an idiot. Do I have a new set of skills? Nope. Fuck you, RP. I'll check those out later. Camera. Alright.
Hey, you found it. And since you're carrying it, you can hook it up.
Fuck you.
Tell me again why you aren't doing this?
I'm priming the ignition.
Not even a thing?
Are you done yet?
Almost. Got it.
Yes! Great! We can take it from here. You might want to check on Lisa before you go.
Alright. Gotta go check on Lisa. I fell from a small jump. Alright.
Every night I dream I'm in Hollywood. And then I wake up here.
I'm sorry. You missed your shoe.
It's not your fault. I should have insisted we skip skydiving. The important thing is we're both safe. But you saved me. I'm here because of you.
Oh, thanks.
What we need now is an action plan.
Okay. I find Riley and her other friends. You stay here and help Daisy with the boat.
So I gotta go help some other friend.
We nearly didn't make that escape.
Lisa, I've got this. Don't worry.
Alright. See, I got this.
careful.
And we're done with that mission. Well, I need to exit out this cave. I guess this is going to be the end of my mission here. Because I don't want to waste my memory and it'll take too long. But yeah. Now, what I have to do is... Ooh, new RP. Skills. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I've tried to reach you many times. What happened?
Boss captured me. I made it out with Lisa, but he still has the others.
La Pepas.
I'm not strong enough to get them out.
You need the power to defeat us. I cannot provide such strength. But there is someone who can. Citra. You are ready. You must go to her.
Who is she?
Citra is the leader of our people. She can guide you to the center. She will reveal your true power. A temple is in the jungle. I will meet you at the gates.
All right.
Alright, so now I gotta go see this
What
weird
have I
girl.
gotten myself into?
Oh. Yeah, so now I gotta go see this weird girl. Will I ever make it alive? Will I do other things? Will I actually live? Tune in next time for another episode of Lopez in the Jungle. And I will see you guys on the next video. Because I am Batman. Woo-hoo. Later. Pause it. End it.